How to update your marital status on CRA My Account. So of course you're gonna have to sign in into your CRA first. So go ahead here, sign into your account. Next, you could manually go ahead to the marital status change section, but you could always search for it. So go ahead to the search tab and search for marital status or change marital status, which is this. And then once you've searched that, you will get this as the first option. So change your marital status, update your personal information with the CRA. Now you must tell the CRA that your marital status has changed if you got married, became common law, and these others. So make sure you put that in mind. So here's the ways you can update your marital status. So you can choose whichever you prefer. You can do it online, by phone, by mail or fax, or on your tax return. So let's say you do it online. All you have to do is follow the step-by-step method, which is to sign into your CRA account, select your individual account, profile, scroll to marital status, and then just edit. So that's pretty much it. You follow any of these step-by-step methods, and then you will be able to update or change your marital status. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.